Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars, and welcome back to another video. And it's the morning after the paint job, and so I thought I'd do a reveal after taking off got most of the masking tape off, and got the paint to cure overnight, and paint the clear coat. And short of doing some buffing, I think the paint for, this being, I haven't painted in many years. I mean, I did one not too long ago, but I think it turned out really good. I'm very impressed. Jose and I, we tackled it. I mean, I'll take the camera off the tripod and kind of go around it, but we got a lot of cleanup to do and a lot of putting back together. And so I'm probably not going to do another video for a while. Well, who knows? I might get excited, and as parts start coming back together, we start putting things back together and cleaning up. Who knows? I may do a video, I may not. But I'm going to take the camera off the tripod, and I'm going to actually go around the car a little bit and just kind of reveal what the paint job looks like, and then we'll leave it at that. But very impressed. I'm very happy with myself. I'm proud of Jose and I of what we've accomplished here. And one of the goals was that I would, the goal was to get the car painted by tax day, April 15th. Well, guess what, folks? Today is April 12th. Now, there's a caveat to that. I don't have the hardtop painted, and there's a few little miscellaneous parts and pieces that still need to be painted, but overall the car is painted. So let me take the camera off, and we'll just go around it a little bit and let y'all see what it actually looks like. So got a really good shine on the car. The clear coat set in, and we had great conditions. I did not plastic the entire garage. I did not put it in a controlled environment, or made make it sterile, or whatever you want to call it. But I think, remarkably, I think the whole car turned out good. I've got a few little spots that we need to deal with, but, now I can start doing things like, do a major cleanup. And I really wanted to do, I really want to carpet this trunk. Versus, leave it like it is. That's the only modification to this car that I want to do. And I did not realize I had a cracked dash. I did not realize it had a cracked dash. Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't, the car's been covered up so long that I didn't realize that. So I could get one of those dash covers and put it on there, but still have a lot of work to do on the car to make it, by far, is it going to be show quality? No. Did I intend it to be? No, not really. I wanted it to be back to its original color, and my wife is not a big fan of white, but it is it is back to what it was. Now, you know, there's a lot of putting back together, and we're going to get, today being Saturday, April 12th, we're going to get to that tomorrow, as I've got an auction that I'm going to today. And, yes, there's a car at the auction, and not sure I'm going to end up with a car that I'm interested in, but you know, who's to say? You know, I don't need any more cars around here. You know, it's not. It's really not what I should be doing. But there is a car trailer at the auction, and it needs work. So, you know, we'll see. You know, I haven't been to an auction in a while, and so this would be, you know, it's going to be kind of fun to do. But yeah, I'm really happy the way this turned out. We'll be able to take this to you know, a couple shows, hopefully, and then you know, I don't plan on winning any prizes or any money with it, but you never know. I mean, it's more for my wife's and my pleasure, and we'll just see where it goes with that. So, folks, there you have it. Just a quick video of the morning after the paint job. Like I said last night, or yesterday afternoon and evening. Excuse me. Yesterday afternoon and evening, the conditions were perfect for doing, you know, for painting it. I mean, the temperature was right at around 65, 68 degrees. There was no wind outside, so having the door open to allow the fumes and everything to escape, it was just perfect. And so, you know, tomorrow it's supposed to be warmer, but what we'll end up doing is we'll end up putting the start putting the car back together, and you know, probably wouldn't hurt to start it. It hasn't been started in a while. And you know, maybe back it out in the sunlight, and but it's supposed to be windy, and I really don't want, well, really we need to blow it all off and get it cleaned up. But folks, there you have it. My 1972 350 SL, production number 417, so it's the 417th one, back to its original color, and time for it to start going back together. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends. And if you want, go to the playlist and you can see all the different, you know, phases of what we've been going through on this car. And then, you know, I'll probably maybe do some videos along the way, because we got to put some rubber seals back on. I've got new rubber seals for the trunk and the doors and all kinds of stuff. So, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.